how to change video resolution in Capcut PC. So in this video, I will show you two ways on how to change video resolution on Capcut. So the first way to change is changing the playback quality. So while you are editing your video, now you want to play the video in high quality while editing the video. So to do that, all you have to do, just click on this full button. So from there, click on this high quality. So now we change the playback quality. If you play the video, now the video that is playing while you're editing your video will be in high quality. And the second way to change the video resolution in CapCut is changing the output resolution. That's after you finish editing your video, now you want to export the video in higher quality. So to do that, all you have to do, just click on this export button. So go to this export resolution and click on this arrow. You need to see different resolution. You can choose 4K. So the 4K is the best resolution for your video. After that, you can click on the export button. From there, you export your video with higher resolution. And that's it. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.